We have a walk-in shower upstairs in the family bathroom, and you'll find that there are two shower heads. You have a rainfall effect above and a power shower head. To use the shower, you'll find that you have this control bar. On this control bar, you'll see there is temperature on the right-hand side. If you wish to make it cooler, you turn it away from you, and you can see there's a button here. Now the reason why the button is here is if you wish for it to be hotter, you need to push in that button, because if I try and turn it without pushing the button, it won't become hotter than 40 degrees. This is a safety feature. So push it in if you wish it to be hotter, and then you can get hotter water. For safety feature, just turn it back to 40 degrees so you don't burn yourself. To use the shower, to turn on the water, you either turn it towards you for the power shower head or turn it away from you for the overhead part. And again, there's a button behind here, which you can see here, which you just need to push in, and then you turn it. And then when you're finished, just put this notch back to 0. And that's how to use the family bathroom shower. Thank you.